Hello, how you doing? Amy here from Muriz. Now, I like a little bit of maths. Anybody that knows me, I love maths. I get excited about spreadsheets. I know, sad. I get equally as excited about spreadsheets as I do nails and waxing. But I wanted to do some nail maths, right? Because there's a lot of noise out there in the nail world, especially. There's a lot of chit chat, and specifically groups that are targeted against companies like Gel Bottle. Because people are saying they've never seen so many allergies before, they've never seen so many reactions, they've never seen so many problems, and that in 20 years of nails, they've never come across it. And I've always sat there, I mean, I've come out of a lot of those groups because I find them a little bit toxic, I'm not going to lie. But I've always sat there and thought, is this not just maths? Like, is there not just that there's more people having their nails done now than we've ever seen? The products are better than they've ever been. And is this not just maths, right? And I've always kind of sat there and thought, okay, but yeah, there's going to be more allergies because the products are stronger. The training hasn't kept up with the products, without a shadow of a doubt, which is why I created my nail training. However, if we look at population of women specifically, sorry Sam, I have based this on female population in the UK, and I know that it's not inclusive, but if you factor in the entire population of the UK, it skews the numbers. So I'm really sorry, I just wanted to do it on female population, predominantly females having their nails done. So if we look at the numbers, it's really interesting, and I might prove a point here. So are you ready? In 2014, female population in the UK was 32.8 million. In 2024, so I'm looking at 2014 versus 2024. I think it gives us a good idea. In 2024, it's 34.3 million. So we've had a jump in female population. Yay! Now, let's say that in 2014, I first opened my salon in 2013. Like, we were busy doing nails, but we were predominantly waxing. Nails has ramped up massively. Anybody that's in the nail industry knows that most people have their nails done. A lot of people have their nails done regularly. In 2014, it was still more of like a treat. We were using shellac in the salons. You know, we were busy. We were really busy salons. Nowhere near like what we are now when we're using Gel Bottle and overlays and all of the press that's gone along with it to like boost the nail revenue and the business, right? So let's say 10% of the female population had their nails done regularly. I know whether it's 10% or 20%, the numbers will still say what we want them to say. So 2014, if we had 10% of people had their nails done, that would have been 3.2 million, right? So 3.2 million women having their nails done regularly across the UK. Great. 2024, I reckon like 50% of people have their nails done regularly. 50% of the female population. It's not very often you see people that don't have nails done, but I reckon it'd be like 1 in 2 people have their nails done, right? That's 17 million compared to 3.2. That's a lot. Hence why we're all in business. However, let's have a look at the average number of people that have an allergy to acrylates. So, an allergy to acrylates is obviously HEMA, but if they're HEMA free, they're still going to have an allergy. If they've got an allergy to acrylate, it's just they're more likely to have an allergy to HEMA, or it will come up quicker, right? So the average number of people is 2.4%. And this is a stat that's been written by Professional Beauty, Scratch Magazine. Everybody's written this stat. And actually it was on the news as well when we had that press last year. 2.4%. So let's look at the numbers. 2.4% of 2014's 10% population having their nails done is 78,000. 2.4% of 2024, 50% of population having their nails done, 412,000. So we're comparing 10 years ago 78,000 people with now 412,000 people. So that's why we are seeing a higher level of allergies or onycholysis or greenies, because it's maths. Is anyone else understanding this, or anyone else feel this? Because when I hear this noise of, you know, like, oh, we've never seen so many problems and it's all gel bottle and gel bottle's the devil and it's awful and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, is it not just the number of people that are having their nails done? And if there's 2.4% of the population that have an acrylate allergy, we're just seeing a lot more of it. Therefore, our training needs to level up. Our knowledge needs to level up, because that training and knowledge we had 10 years ago has not leveled up with the current products that we're using. And the MVQs are still the same. And the college and one-day courses and stuff are still the same. So then if this is happening and we're comparing 78,000 potential acrylate allergies in comparison to 412,000, then we just all need to level up a little bit, because this is going to happen. Just my own theory. Anyone else feel it? I love a bit of maths. Let me know what you think.